guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will be sharing with you guys a package that I got. This is a exciting video because I know I get a lot of questions about my nails, and I just wanted to share with you guys a nail tutorial as well as these gel polishes. So I do have 6 polishes and they are from Born Pretty, and this is an Amazon seller, and I really like this because this is like a really good variety pack. I'll share with you guys a little bit about the colors. I did kind of just lay them out here for you guys, so I did swatch them, and these are just kind of like an array of colors because it has pinks and grays and then this like really pretty yellow. This is probably like the next color that I'm going to do because it's so pretty. So I love how it has just like the pinks and then the gray blues and then just a pop of yellow. So this is like a really cute color right here as well. This is Young Love and it looks like this. So it's just like this baby pink one. And I love the all black sleek packaging. It's like a matte packaging. Then it just says Born Pretty, and these are 10 milliliters, so I feel like that's a good amount. I'm going to show you guys the consistency and just like how the application goes on my nails. Share with you guys the information as to where I got these, the link, the name, as well as just like everything in the description bar down below. So you guys can definitely check them out and buy yourself some cute gel colors because they have other ones as well, and I just feel like they're really good and a good bang for your buck. So now I'm gonna show you guys my nails, and I'm gonna begin. I did do like a super blinged out design. This is like my favorite kind. I just really like the super glam designs. I'm showing you guys the process and how I do them. So let's get this video started. Okay, so starting off with bare nails, I'm going to use these supplies. So these are my clippers and these are my fake tips. So I will be measuring them out to make sure that they all fit the good size, the good length, and then I'm going to take this glue and apply some right at the tip, and I'm going to glue on each of my nails. So this does take a little bit of time, but just make sure that it fits well, it's the correct size, and yeah. So just applying this on all of my nails and just making sure I wait a little bit to make sure that they're nice and stuck, and there will be no lifting if you are careful here, and take your time. And then after I'm done sticking on the nails, I will be filing down each of the nails in the shape that I want. So I did take my nail clippers and I cut them down a little bit to make sure that they're a good length, and then I started filing my nails. So just making sure I make them the right length and the right shape, and kind of just filing down the edges a little bit because I don't like them too wide. And then I will begin taking my same nail glue, and with the nail glue I am going to brush a nice even layer. So this is what will bond my nails with nail glue with the powder. So pretty much I'm just taking a good amount, and then I will be taking my powder that comes in the kit and dumping it all over my nail. So just making sure that it's nice and evenly coated because this is only going to be done twice. So I did it twice, same process, and then I'm going to do the activator. So this is the final step to kind of sealing everything. So I just applied it, and then we are ready to begin. So as you guys can see, this is the Born Pretty nail gel color. This is a light pink color, and I will be using this for my nails, and I'll be showing you guys how the application process goes and how it goes on each of my nails. So I also want to do rhinestones and some glitter, of course. So I will be using these two as well, and then my base coat and top coat. So I also want to share with you guys this nail glue that I will be using for my rhinestones. It makes them stay and not come off. So I just kind of like painted my nail in this glittery silver gel color, and then I took my glitter and I dumped it and poured it all over the nail. So that's kind of how it looks like. It's a messy process, but the outcome is really, really nice. So I repeated this step for my middle finger on the other hand, as well as my thumbs, because those are the ones that I wanted them to be nice and glittered. So this is how it looks like. Really, really cute. I will be putting a top coat over it and making sure that it's nice and sealed. And then here I go applying my gel color. So this is like a mauve pink color, and it's so cute, guys. Look at this. So I'm going to show you guys a close-up of the application. So this is just one coat, and honestly I felt like that I could have used just one coat, but I definitely did two, just because I wanted it to experiment and I wanted to make sure I show you guys one coat and two coats. So that is one coat. It's so evenly applied, and here I go in with my second coat, and it just makes it so much cuter with two coats, because you can really see the color and how smooth it applies and how evenly. I love the consistency. I feel like the consistency is perfect. I will be doing this for all of my nails, so as you guys can see, I've already done a coat for my nails. So I really, really loved the outcome of the nails, and this color is so, so pretty. This is like the perfect pink color, not too dark and not too light. And I love how it coats, and here I will be applying some gems. So I did lay out all of my gems and rhinestones, and I did like a little pattern, and then I applied it on my nails. And this is how they look like. So this is the pretty pink color and the glitter with the rhinestones. I absolutely love this outcome and how they look like, because I feel like this glitter goes very well with this pink color. As you guys can see, it's super shiny, super cute and pink, and I absolutely love it. Born Pretty gel polishes also come in various colors, and I think you guys will find the right fit for you guys. If you guys would like to check it out, it is down in the description bar, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye!